Welcome back to the channel, and today again we have a power bank which is from Charmast, and it says to deliver 100 watts, so we will be checking it. And 20,000 mAh. Color is black, nothing else is written on the cover, so let's see what is inside. And in the meantime, if you like the content, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And let's see what is inside. Packing seems to be very difficult, but let's see. Okay, cover out. Some quality control tag. One pouch, which seems to be good. And the power bank. Oh, I remember this kind of power bank. I think I have one from them, but the same model, but 65 watts. And here it is, but this one is from Vitco Max. Again, 220,000 mAh with maximum of 45 watts. This one is the same design. Even the back things are also same. It says maximum 45 watts here, and it says maximum 20 volts, 5 ampere, maximum 100 watts. So maybe there is a chip upgrade. And it has a cable, so we will check whether it supports 100 watts or not. To test, I have another cable which supports 240 watts. So first I'll see how much is it. In default it says almost 3 bars are full, so around 75%, so it should be good to go. So the standard PD out, I will use, oh, there is a cover on it. Take out the cover, and I will try to charge my 140 watts power bank. It should be able to take it. First I will use the delivered one to check, and it is connected, and it is first had switched to 9 volts, and it seems that the handshake didn't work correctly. So once more. Now it's completely gone. Nothing. So in output seems to be gone. Again. Now. Okay, what about let's see, other way around. It is being charged at almost 18 watts, but oh, there is also one manual here. So Let's see what does the manual says. So 3H50 to 75% and 74 watt hour. Input is only maximum 45 watts and output can be 20 volts 5 ampere on in output, and output is maximum 20 watts. So charging can only be maximum 45 watts. That is not very good in my opinion, but let's see. So it is not charging at the said 45 watts, but only around 20 watts. I will use another power bank, my old faithful PMT75, and let's see what does it says. Okay, here also it is going out now 8 watts. This also is 6 watts, 8 9 watts. Okay, so this is not working with the given cable, so I will use the other cable and let's see if it brings any changes. No change. Seems that the cable is incompatible. And the moment I use the correct cable, which is supposed to support 100 watts, it is getting charged at 65 watts currently, 20 multiplied by 3, but it is not holding up. So 65 watts it can deliver. What about 100 watts? Okay, I'm getting a huge, I think, compatibility issues with the chipset what is being used here. What about direct? It is getting charged, but I don't know how. And now, yeah, it seems that the specifications are, and it doesn't know what to do, because the chipset always switches to 65 watts and then charging mode and discharging mode. It doesn't know what to do. I will try to use a charger one. Let's see. Now I will use the charger and it is getting charged at around 44 watts. Okay, so charging with power bank is a bad idea. Use the normal charger. Okay, what about if I want to charge? I think it was able to supply around 45. And another one thing which I found, at first it had shown 3 marks around 75%, but after 5 minutes by charging it is showing only first mark. So charging indicator also, in my opinion, it is not correct. What I'm interested in, whether it supports the charging and discharging both at the same time. So for that, I will use the charging port and then use the discharging port to charge the another power bank. So let's see. So it is trying to negotiate. I don't know what is happening. So it doesn't seem that continuous charging and discharging is supported because it is getting charged, but another power bank is not getting charged. So I have to see the manual again. I don't think that it supports pass through. So at this point, I would not want it to charge and discharge more or test it more, because in my opinion, yeah, it doesn't supports. Doesn't seems to support the pass through. I mean, simultaneous charging and discharging. Charging at 45 watts is doable, but discharging at even 100 watts doesn't seems to be doable. Doesn't seems to work. So here we can see around 65 watts, but according to this, it should be able to do 20 volts 5 ampere. Here it says around 65 watts. What if I use another one? Okay, at least here it also comes to around 65 watts, but I think it is because the charge indicator is only 1. So I will charge it to 100% and then we'll do it again.